Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you are a new technician, then how you can clean your AC with jet pump, and if you are a customer, then you must get your AC cleaned with jet pump in detail in this video. If you get all the information, then let's start the video. So friend, we have come to our IFB split AC, and first open the swing flap. Now take out its filter net. Now open the front cover screw. Now open the cover and screw of all 3 screws at the bottom. Now open its wiring cover. Now by opening the screw of its display, separate the display from the body. Take out the cover by removing the locks on the side of the front cover of the AC. Due to less space above the AC, the upper lock has to be opened with the help of a screwdriver. If there was space above the AC, you would have lifted the cover from the bottom, then this cover would have come out very easily. To open the drain assembly, you have to open the screw on the side of the cooling coil. Then by lifting the cooling coil from one side, the drain assembly will come out easily. You remove the drain assembly with light hands. The drain assembly is very delicate, so remove it carefully. Now separate its drain pipe from the drain assembly. Remove the drain assembly by unscrewing the screw on the swing motor of the drain assembly with the help of a screwdriver. Now you should note that you should wrap the PCB with a membrane. Water should not enter the PCB and fan motor. PCB and fan motor may get damaged due to water. Now after this, AC waterproof cover should be properly placed in the AC. Let's apply. Now you set the pressure of the jet pump. The cooling coil can be damaged by the pressure, then check the pressure. Start cleaning the blower with jet pump. Clean till all the dirt is removed and the blower is clean. Clean the drain pipe also with the pressure of the jet pump. After that, now let's clean the cooling coil. Keep in mind that the pressure of the jet pump should not be high. You can see that the cooling coil is glowing now and is getting cleaned very well. If you get the jet pump service done, then your AC will work very well and the electricity bill will be reduced and the AC will cool the room quickly. Now the indoor unit has been cleaned very well. Now wash its removed cover with the help of a jet pump. The pressure in the jet pump is so high that there is no need to rub the cover. If you want, you can wash it with surf water as well. Now dry the cover a little, let the water drain out and wipe it with a dry cotton cloth. Now remove the AC cover and wipe it thoroughly with a cotton cloth, taking care that no water gets into the PCB. Wipe it thoroughly on all sides. Now wipe the drain assembly and start installing the swing motor. Now you also put the drain pipe in the drain assembly. Seat the drain assembly by lifting the cooling coil lightly. It will seat easily. Now tighten both the screws of the cooling coil. Now you put the main cover. It will sit very easily. Just check the lock on the top. Now tighten the cover screw as well. And also put the lock of the screw. Now tighten the front screw as well. Put the wiring cover on. Now you also tighten the display in the front cover and then seat the cover as well. Now you also install the swing flap and filter net and turn on your AC. I am not showing the outdoor unit because it is mounted on top, but you should clean the outdoor unit as well. It is very important to clean the outdoor unit. Dust is not visible in the outdoor unit, but the dust remains accumulated. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.